Don't start, because I just didn't want to ruin,
don't
I just didn't want to ruin your perfect intro with my awkward...
Oh my god, could you imagine if I had to do it again?
Yeah, and then you would literally hate
Carrie's over here like...
What do I got in there? This is on film. Yes!
I have to zoom in on your face right there.
Yes!
I love when you zoom in on your face.
Oh,
Like, I literally do. I laugh at you. But at least zoom in on my face one time. I would be honored. Am I straight?
Maybe we're not the ones that you need to ask that question. I get straight vibes from you.
Okay, thanks. 2 girls and 1 sausage.
Who's the sausage?
I told her it was a story, remember?
Yeah, that sounds very familiar.
My friend and I went to Walmart and it was just 2 girls and we brought a piece of, like a sausage, like a big meat stick.
A big meat stick.
And then every time we were just like walking around, we were embarrassed, so we went through like U-Scan, because 2 girls and 1 big sausage, like a long one
I
too.
don't feel comfy with the fact that you put it down here.
I'm sorry, I didn't
2 girls, 1 big sausage.
2 girls, 1 sausage. Okay, I'm done. She's never gonna let me be famous like this again.
Hey guys, today I'm here with my roommates.
I'm Brittany.
I'm Carrie. Oh, we just stopped?
Oh no, I'm just gonna like cut it. Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Cut it. I didn't realize we stopped. I'm
Oh
sorry.
yeah, sorry. No, you're fine. Today we are going to be trying some international stacks.
Whoa! We're getting stats!
Get
That was the best!
International stacks.
Pancakes.
Those euros.
Today we're getting international. Wait, could you imagine if you just opened it and it was like euros, pesos? Like
Today we are going to be trying some international snacks from Munch Pack. So shout out to Elijah who sent me this box.
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Let's cut this bitch open.
See what snacks we got. I'm a little worried about
We've
our
been
snacks.
excited about this.
I just would like to say that I'm very picky, so this is going to be an interesting snack situation, but I'm ready.
Ooh!
Oh, it's a fancy box.
So this is a subscription service that you can get, and you can get it every week, 2 weeks, or monthly.
Yeah?
Oh my god, it says my name, and Elijah even signed it. What a
that's so
goodie.
What a pal. What's
Oh
it
my
say?
God.
Elijah.
Thanks, Elijah.
Oh my god, there's an app? Oh, it's the snack scan.
Oh, they have an
that's cool.
app where you can scan, oh my god, you can scan your favorite snacks and then it'll keep them in like its
like your
history.
favorites.
If any of you are interested in getting your own Munch Pack, you can get $3 off with the code AlainaViolet. Yahoo!
Yahoo! Hashtag Yahoo!
Hashtag.
Hashtag Yahoo!
And then there's a card in here that says, this Munch Pack was made with love just for you. And
yeah,
you
Nick.
deserve it.
Nick and Elijah.
Thank you very much, Nick.
Yes,
Thanks
we are
for the
very
pack,
excited. Alright, the big unveiling. Ooh,
Ooh.
so many things. I love it. Alright, first, Su Sabor Latin taste. I don't know what this is. Oh, cheese snacks. We like cheese.
I love cheese.
We like cheese. I love cheese.
Cheese balls.
We're a very cheesy room. So.
Oh. Alright guys, take a cheese ball.
Anyone nervous?
Yeah,
I'm
actually
a little nervous because some cheese is very hit or miss.
But where does the cheese come from?
It's a good
Ooh,
question.
the smell.
It's Latin.
It's
I'm not
musty
digging.
cheese.
I'm not digging the smell.
Okay, are we
Are we
ready?
all gonna eat it at the same time? Then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, like cheers.
Cheers.
For cheese.
I don't taste cheese yet.
I don't taste cheese either. Yes I do.
Oh, I taste cheese though. Okay.
It started off strange,
Like a cracker.
and then it turned into like the mix of like a goldfish and a Cheez-It and like a saltine cracker all together.
Yeah.
So they're actually not bad.
I think I was worried at first because it tasted kind of bland. So I thought it was going to be like
It was very
gross.
crunchy.
It was a lot crunchier
Very
than I thought it
crunchy.
would be.
It kind of tasted like
They're hard balls.
cardboard. I never tasted cheese, and I'm still not.
It wasn't super strong. It was kind of subtle.
Okay.
like month-old cheese. I'm sorry.
The honesty though.
I'm being real.
These are lemon. Are we
Oh,
sure?
no, this
That
is
looks
a
like
chip.
a lime.
That's
it
a
says
lime.
lemon, but it has
This
a
is
lime.
lemon, which is lime.
But underneath it, it says lemon
Yeah.
in English.
Oh,
Someone's a little confused.
Yeah, I think someone
that did not translate.
Made
very
with
well.
100% natural potato.
graphic
I
design
think-
is my passion. Add the lime on the front.
It's a lime chip. Oh.
Ready?
Oh, yay. Actually, I like
That's
that.
really good.
That's really weird.
Those are
It's like
really
strange.
It tastes like a ruffle. You know those chips?
like a
that-
ruffle.
Ruffles have ridges.
Instead of like all the salt, I feel like it's lemon.
Yeah, dude, I'll eat another one.
Let's take another one of that.
And it's not so strong that it's like sickening.
This is a good time. I think I would actually buy that in the store.
Yeah, I would too.
Yeah.
Those are really good.
I would buy those for a party.
How do you guys feel about seafood?
I like
it.
seafood.
Okay, good, because I didn't know if you were picky about seafood. These are lobster.
Seafood chips?
Yeah.
No! Right!
No!
I feel like seafood and chips should not be combined.
But they're
though.
kettle cooked. Kettle cooked
I
is so
love
good.
everything kettle cooked is really good.
I'm
It's
horrible.
a law.
But it's
a law.
It's a lobster chip. Can you please explain this one more time?
It's
There's
lobster
definitely
flavored.
a lobster on the outside.
Bitch.
It looks like barbecue, but
Alright.
It's Larry the Lobster.
Larry! When Big Larry came around just to put him down.
I hate you guys.
Okay, those were definitely a thumbs up. We have watermelon popping candy.
I love
How
watermelon.
Can this be bad?
Yeah, that's
You know?
true.
it
How
gonna
do you
pop in
open
my
something
mouth?
like this?
Yeah, that almost looks like Pop Rocks, but I don't even know how to open up Pop Rocks and those. I eat those all the time,
Girl,
so.
I mean, I know
Can I take
this
a
is
look
the
at it?
yeah.
Can I take a look?
There is a drink in here.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Let me see.
I think there's bags in
I feel
there.
like
Wait, we
one
have
of
scissors.
these
What are we doing?
should.
Oh, where's our scissors?
Ah!
Oh.
Nice.
One of the thingies, like, came off.
One of the things.
Each
Uh-oh,
get-
they're small, which makes me feel like it's a contained, potent, like, substance.
Oh, no.
Because there's not a lot in here. Okay.
Elijah, what did you send
So
us?
wait, do we put it on our tongue? It's been a long time since I was like 8.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Yeah, scissors.
Okay, yeah, I'm
Coming
trying
back.
to be really careful because I don't want to drop it.
All over our futon.
Yeah, all
This
over the
is insane.
futon.
Okay.
Futon.
Fitting.
Fitting.
Oh no.
What rhymes with crouton? Would
I
assume.
just got the scissors.
Listen, buddy.
Buddy, oh pal, Roomy. Okay.
Room meat.
Drink
Shots,
it.
shots, 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 shots.
Everybody. Okay.
Ah, okay. And
It's like an
wrong.
explosion.
they're good. Very watermelon-y. Do you hear it?
Snap, crackle, and pop.
These are
Can
really
I do a
good.
second?
Go for it. So this is Kiki fruit mix, whatever that means.
Ooh.
Oh, these might be like Starbursts. And if they are, I'm gonna shit myself.
Yeah, they are.
you really?
Do you have a preference? Because I think these are the flavors on the
So
outside.
I
This
have
is
a lemon.
strawberry.
I'm good with lemon.
I'm good with strawberry. It does
What
look
kind
like
do
a
you
got
go
a
for?
lemon.
Lemon. Okay, so we have lemon and you have strawberry. This looks like a Starburst.
Yeah, it does.
And it's wrapped just like
Just
a
like a Starburst. Have you ever like unwrapped it with your mouth? That means you're a good kisser. If you can it's like the cherry.
I was
thing.
just gonna say like the cherry stem.
Smells like a
lemon.
Starburst.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, I'm gonna
Alright.
go for it. Mmm.
It tastes just like a Starburst.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it
These are
tastes
good.
more. It tastes less artificial than
I
like
was just
American
gonna say it
ones.
tastes
So
more like fruity.
Yeah.
Like more like real fruit.
this
Natural.
actually tastes like a strawberry.
It's in a different language.
I was just gonna say, is it in a different language?
Yeah.
Everyone in Africa reads Swedish.
This is a gummy candy, it says. Pukao.
Puko.
Pukao.
Puko.
It's mango flavored, I know that
Ooh,
much.
I do like mangoes. It
And
does worry me when something is like
Wrapped in
like
tinfoil?
solid. Yeah, like wrapped in a solid
this
color.
reminds-
Right?
Alright, let's go.
Wish me luck. Oh,
Like
it's hard.
Definitely tastes like mango.
It tastes just like a mango.
Kind of hurts the teeth a little.
It's good, I like it.
It's good. It's just really hard to chew. The inside, I think, is the hard part. Yeah, I think the outside
No, I
part.
think the outside is hard.
You think so? Maybe it is.
It's undetermined.
And this case will remain unsolved.
Never wants to dance.
Oh,
Went and ripped his pants.
Ooh, Carrie, you choose our next snack.
Oh. I feel like we should go for the fudge classic. Everyone likes a
Chocolate.
good piece of fudge. But it looks like caramel in the picture, so
Interesting.
one fudge for you. One fudge for you. It
Me-
says
me's
fudge
code.
classic.
Oh, it's got a
This-
cow on it.
It's- oh,
Interesting wrapping,
This
too.
is a
It
bonbon.
is.
Oh,
Ooh.
I feel like everyone loves a good bonbon, so. Everybody loves a good bonbon.
I was gonna say,
Come
who
on.
doesn't like getting their bonbon? I can't, it's a weird smell.
I can't smell. I have allergies.
Are we just gonna go for a half? Like, I don't wanna.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna do it for half. It seems hard.
It's soft.
Oh, it's really soft.
Whoa.
It's like a rice candy.
I'm undetermined if I like this.
Me too. The taste.
It's hard, and then you bite it, and it's...
It crumbles when you bite
Yeah, I like the taste. I don't know if I like the consistency.
it. That's how I feel.
Fettuccine. It literally says fettuccine.
It's a noodle.
It's a noodle. No,
Stop,
it looks like
fettuccine
noodles.
gummies?
It's
And
definitely
it's
a noodle.
gummies.
That's
Okay.
terrifying.
No, it's great.
No, it's
Is
great.
it? We'll know in just a moment.
Oh my god, okay, there's no packaging, but they literally look like little
Fettuccine.
like sour
Give me my
They
fettuccine.
smell good. They smell like something, and
Oh.
I can't place what.
Smells fruity.
Cantaloupe. It smells like cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
Wait, is there a flavor?
It's all in a different language, so I have no
Yeah.
clue.
We just know it's a fettuccine gummy. Are
yeah.
we ready?
Okay, ready? Oh, it tastes fruity.
This is really good.
It's very good. Me gusta.
Give me more. More. Actually, I would eat this.
Same. I'm gonna have another one too.
It reminds me of like fuck. First they're sour, then they're sweet.
Sour
Oh.
Patch Kids. Sour, sweet, gone.
I just was afraid that it was gonna taste like pasta. I feel like candy that tastes like pasta is not a good idea.
Yeah.
Cocoa Celly? I don't
Oh,
know.
I hate
Oh,
coconut.
it's Nestle. Nestle.
Oh yeah,
Interesting.
it's Nestle.
it's-
Okay, it's got
it's a
160
sandwich.
calories. I'm not a fan of coconut, but I mean, I guess I'll take one
Ew,
for the
it's
team.
coconut?
That's what.
Oh,
it looks
none of us like coconut. This is gonna be interesting.
That's a
the
huge
pro- I
cookie.
know. I feel like we
It
should
looks like
each
a
take a
golden
bite.
dollar.
Like, it's like strong ass coconut. Like it's not just like subtle. It's like coconut.
Cocoa these nuts.
Like it's not like coconut. It's like coconut.
I'm scared.
Oh, it's not bad.
Oh, okay. I taste something, but it doesn't taste like coconut yet.
Oh,
Maybe
I
a
taste
little
the coconut.
It's not like artificial either. It's like it tastes
I would
like
possibly eat that.
yeah,
actually.
it tastes like kind of like an almond joy.
I feel like it tasted like Nilla wafers with a tiny bit of coconut.
Yeah, like a little spread.
Oh, I enjoy that this says nude on it.
Ooh, we know these are Korean.
Yes, and pepero filled with soft chocolate. So it's
Oh,
like
the sticks. I love those
yeah.
stick things.
3 girls, 1 stick.
Look at my stick.
It says nude.
I just smoked this one, so no.
Oh my god,
one-
I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna smoke it.
Oh, it's really good.
It's really
It tastes
really,
like Pocky.
really-
You know
The
that
Koreans know what's up.
stuff?
I'm
Anything,
literally
really.
taking 2 of everything. I'm that big, so it's like sitting over here just eating all of the snacks.
Good.
Ah!
All
You got
of
a
us
long
I got a long stick.
She drew
Long
the
stick
best
for
one.
the stitch.
I'm surprised at how many things I would actually like order. Like I would buy some of this stuff.
Well, guys,
What do we have next?
our last
Oh, the drink.
item.
It's a
we got
peach drink, though.
blessed with a drink. Milkies.
Oh.
I know, I'm concerned because peach and milk, those
This
two
is-
words in my brain shouldn't be in the same sentence.
New feeling of soda beverage. No caffeine, no preservatives.
Okay, and it says contains 0%
made in
juice, so
Korea.
it's like milk.
0% juice, but like,
I'm just worried that this is gonna be like,
oh my god, could you imagine? It looks like milk.
It looks like milk and soda.
it smells really good.
Oh, it does smell good, actually. It smells like peaches.
Should we take one and pass
I'm
it down?
concerned because of the milk thing, though. Milk is thick, and I don't think that it should be flavored.
Oh, wait, ingredients.
Thick with how many
Water,
C's?
sugar, thick with 2 C's.
Okay.
Looking like a snack. Skim milk. Powdered. Oh, I'm gonna stop.
Powdered skim milk.
I'm
Stop
sorry.
reading
Yeah,
it.
we're
Yeah.
Stop it!
I'm gonna take a nice swig and pass her down.
Alright.
A swig.
That was not a swig, that was the tiniest sip.
Oh, okay, I'll go for more.
I thought you were just gonna chug it. I was like,
Drink the
Carrie
whole
hands
can.
it down and it's empty. I didn't really like it. It tastes like a good mixed drink.
yeah.
Really?
I
You
think
know
so.
those little Peacho candies?
Oh, yeah, the
It's like
peach rings.
liquid Peacho. Peach
Yeah.
ring, whatever.
It's not horrible. It's not thick. I thought it was gonna be thick.
Oh my god, my
with 3
lipstick
C's.
got all over it.
2 C's.
Whoopsies.
2 C's.
I'm thick
I'll
with
do
2
it.
Any more or should I put it down?
I'll take one more.
Take it for
That's,
the team.
it doesn't seem like
it's not
milk
bad.
at all.
Chug.
Seems like a,
Shotguns peach milk.
it didn't seem like a milk at all. It was
No.
like very soda-y.
If it was a milk thing, I probably would have thrown up, honestly.
So our box is empty. There we go. We finished all of these fun
But wait, can we
snacks.
just take a moment to realize these happy people on the box?
I know, they
Yeah,
all have
it's
their
like-
snacks.
They all
and there's
got
an
their
alien.
snacks.
A dog.
Looking like a snack.
Literally, they're all looking like snacks.
Snacks.
Oh,
with
wait,
2
do the
Cs.
snacks have faces?
Oh, they're smiling.
Yeah,
that's
the
everything.
snacks have faces. They're
Guys.
actually looking like snacks.
They're looking like snacks. We're looking like snacks. What a great day.
Oh my god, literally the snacks are looking like snacks.
The snacks are looking like snacks.
2 C's on the snacks.
Always.
With 2 C's.
You should also give your code one more time.
I will.
Okay.
Smart. Thank you, manager.
It's
Secretary.
Someone's gotta be. I'm just kidding.
True.
True and constant, your #1 fan.
So what did you guys think overall?
I liked it, actually. I thought I was gonna hate like half the things in it, but I didn't.
So did I.
So
I definitely am like very picky eater. I thought I was literally just gonna hate it all and be that awkward girl that's like, not for me.
Sorry guys.
Sorry, guys.
Declining politely.
Actually, it was all like sweet or like normal. Like the it was either chips or candy.
I think it's very ironic that the first thing we tried was like the weirdest.
When I saw we had juice, I was then like extra worried because I'm like, what's in that can? But it like was really good. I don't know.
Yeah. Sometimes really drinks, especially canned drinks from other countries, just don't taste good. Then again, there's like canned drinks in America that are fucking gross. So like.
So out of 10, what would you say?
I'd say like 8 or 9. Like I really liked it.
I wouldn't do like weekly. I feel like that'd be a lot of international snacks. But like monthly, and especially if you have roommates, I would probably do
roommates.
Looking like a snack, I would go like 9 out of 10. 5 stars. I would say pretty much 5 stars.
And it's worth a try.
Like Brittany said, it is worth a try. And you know what that means. Use my code. You can go to munchpack.com/AlainaViolet. You will get $3 off your Munch Pack. Yahoo!
Yahoo!
Once again, I'd like to thank Elijah at Munch Pack for sending me this, and my roommates for being in today's video.
Bye! Oh no.
Yeah.
No. I was too ready. Bye! Bye! I was like, why are you guys not waving? Like, you confused me!
Sorry.
Wait, at the very end, when you zoom in on her going, bye!
Bye! So confident.
Bye, buddy! Hope you find your dad!
Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
Bye! Subscribe to our channel!